Take a breath is all about teaching our dogs to take a deep breath, which in turn is going to help regulate their nervous system and bring those big feelings down. So we're teaching it for the same reason why we would teach a human how to take a deep breath, or why we teach ourselves how to take a deep breath. So I personally have experience from learning how to do deep breathing for pain management, and also deep breathing for stress management. And it can help our dogs in the exact same way. If my dog's arousal goes very high, I can then use deep breathing to help them lower that arousal. So after one of my dogs might have experience that kind of, gets either their energy up or their stress up, I can then cue them to breathe to help bring that down. And then I'll also use it to maintain arousal. So if I like my dog's arousal level, I'll maintain it by incorporating some tab into what we're doing. So you're potentially here because you have tried to teach take a breath and have not been able to do it successfully. But I have found that this 3-step protocol makes it really quite easy to teach. And I think you should all be successful. I very much hope so, based on this. So what are our 3 parts of teaching take a breath? So the first is the picture for you. Now that my dog understands the picture of take a breath, and I can hold a treat up to my nose, take a deep breath, and she's going to maintain that position because she knows that the food is coming to her. That's when I'm going to start looking for breath.